Hi guys, this is Justine Royal. I'm a music composer and a singer. I don't know, I just kept doing anything and everything that came my way. Like I was on India's Got Talent, and I came out of it. I released my single on YouTube. I funded myself and came across like-minded people who wanted to be associated and did not charge me money, but they wanted to be associated with something they liked. And I liked their work. It was mutual, and I put it out there and just promoted as much as I could. Like went for radio interviews here and there, spoke to a lot of people, and it reached certain kind of people in the industry, and word of mouth spread. So that really helped. It was a slow process, but it was going somewhere, so it held me together. I think I made use of YouTube a lot. Put it like presenting your work has become a little easy. But you still need to work hard on the stuff. Like presenting is one job and creating is one job. And Facebook also helped me a lot because you keep getting live feedback from people, and that really helps you, because then like someone is there and listening to your music, and like people reach out to you and you work on the feedback, like criticism, constructive feedback, positivity. All of this helps. First of all, you should like it, whatever you're doing. Like honestly, you know when you make bad stuff, you know when you make good stuff. So when you know you've made something good, then you go to like people and you just present it as it is. Like you just have to be as raw. Like you don't have to prepare yourself. If it's good, they like it. If you like it, people will like it. You just have to be honest about it, and that's what my mantra in life has been. Like if I love it, and it takes a lot to make me love something, right? So I'm very inner and very picky and I keep working on something till the time I'm not satisfied with it, and it takes a long time. So if I like something, I just go there and present it out, and I seriously don't mind when people don't like it. Like sometimes things don't go the way you want. Like one person has rejected doesn't mean your stuff is bad, and also it goes the other way around. Like if people are loving your stuff and you inside know that it's not the best, you should know it. Like you just know it yourself, and just go making stuff what you love, and don't try to do some research what the market loves, what the other people have been loving. You are your own judge. A lot of industries are called male dominated, but honestly this has never caused any hindrance in my work. Because I have never listened to a song thinking that it's a female song, I should listen to it, it's a male song. And I just sing songs because I like them. It's not because of the gender. And the same goes with me when I go present my stuff. They don't take it because I'm a female, or they don't reject it because I'm a female. They just like it for the work. So I think it's as fair as that. I come from a non-musical background.
Sure.
And my parents, I come from a middle class family, so there was not a lot of money in the family to just splurge on instruments, because they don't know anything. So but my parents did not stop me also, because I was just doing one thing or the other. I was not sitting waiting for an opportunity. So I taught people, I accumulated, I collected money, and little by little I got instruments. And then when they saw this, they also pitched in whatever they could in any way. They encouraged me. So that's what I'm saying. Like just don't sit, just do something because your parents want the best for you. They just don't want you to fail, because they think it's very difficult to go out there and find work as a musician or an artist or whatever. And they have their concerns because they don't understand this business. So you just have to keep doing, and you have to make them believe that that yes, you can. So they'll believe in you automatically, and that's what my advice is. Like just do what you love, and just don't follow, and just don't take anyone's no, and just don't take anyone's false hope also. You just know yourself and just keep working on yourself.